Hey beer drinkers, we've got 295 subscribers, but the important thing is we've got 1 subscriber from Australia. We would like 2,000 more subscribers from Australia, but anyway, to celebrate that 1 subscriber, we've decided we're gonna do an authentic Australian recipe, something that is served all across this country and everybody loves. It's called Alice Springs chicken. Alligator out.
Yeah, Brett.
Hey.
Hey, thank you for having me. And I there over there out there in TV land and YouTube, thank you for looking at my friend, looking out for him. I was on the out about, looking around, but you may not have heard of me. You may have heard of Crocodile Dundee. That's all right and good. He does the Hollywood stuff. I'm the real deal. I'm the 3rd distant cousin from him from way back. But that doesn't matter here. We're here for a better thing, a better food. Something that's good for the body. I know from the outback. So Britt, take it away.
First thing you gotta do is bake up some bacon. We did it in the oven. It's extra crispy.
And the next thing you have to do is you take some mushrooms. You gotta find the mushrooms like I do out in the outback. You gotta clean them up, slice them up as you see here, as what we've done. You gotta prep them, get them just right, and we'll teach you how to do that. In those mushrooms.
There you go.
Notice those mushrooms are sauteed. Notice they were excellently cut, perfectly. I know you can't do that at home, but we're going to make it just right here. Oh yeah, we've got some chicken breasts here, been marinating in honey mustard for about 6 hours. We're about to place these on the barbie and get them ready to go.
All right, load it up, mate.
We're loading up now. Prepare for goodness. Oh, look at that. That's a wonder. It's beautiful. It's an art. Oh, look at that. Wonderful, Britt. Wonderful.
Hey, so we've got the Barbie going at 375. We're gonna cook the chicken breasts on there until they're about 150 degrees. So we'll pull them off, and then we've got the next step.
Hey there, well, Britt just pulled the chicken off the barbie. We're going to get down to business. We got some work to do. Here we go. Looking forward to it. What a great presentation. Beautiful, beautiful cut of chicken. Gonna put on a little bit of that mushroom that I sliced up with my slicer. I think you've seen a little bit of that. Good job there, Britt.
Hey, thanks, Bob. Now we're just gonna throw those mushrooms on there, throw some cheese, throw the bacon.
I'll see you mixing it up there all right. You know, you can modify it your way. You can do whatever you like. And now, we've loaded up that chicken. And now we're going to throw it on the barbie to melt that cheese.
All right, so we just pulled it off the Barbie.
Well, here you are, but hey, great job, Britt.
Hey, all right.
I'll tell you what, I wouldn't want to be in any other place right now, because this is quality chicken done right. Just right, you get it?
Just right. No rules.
Just right. The thing is, you can put some parsley on here. You can put whatever, maybe green pepper, onion. You can do anything. Let your imagination go. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Just got to get it going, get it piping, and it's a wonderful thing. Hi there, mate. Well, it starts here, and it ends up here. You saw it. It's a wonderful recipe. I hope you try it at home. If you have any questions, all you have to do is subscribe. Get on it, have a good time, and let's eat.
We usually end it with, remember, drink beer,
Mostly craft beer.
but not too much.
That's right, not too much. Hey, with that, thank you for being with us. Subscribe to us. Tell your friends about us. Get it out there because we're going to have a lot more episodes coming to you now.
All right. Cheers.